Yeah, just keep the slack kind of reeled up out of them. Just so we don't get them tangled up, and then we'll...
Oh, you want to hand me my gloves?
Hey, I'll get it. I'll get him.
Or you get him?
Yeah, I'll grab him when we get him up.
You gonna get a picture of him, or you gonna grab him, or you gonna do?
Yeah, we'll take a picture.
Oh, it's yours. We all call it.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, just let him get tired and he'll come on up. Don't let no slack in the line. There it is. Oh, you can let him go if he runs. You got some line on there.
Yeah.
You got it caught back up. He's really gonna do that when he gets to the boat. He's gonna go crazy.
He's gonna
Yeah.
start going nuts.
Just let him go. If he get, just keep it out from under the boat, and, you know, away from the boat, and just
Yeah.
let him do whatever.
Yeah. Coming up, well, that thing's coming
I see him right there. That current makes him.
like a 90 pounder at least.
What did you say, 90?
I ain't heard nobody say 90 yet, so.
There you
I thought you said the Gunnersville record was like 115 or something.
go. It's like 120 or something. That's not the Gunnersville. That's like the state record.
Oh.
That guy said,
I don't know what the
I
Gunnersville.
thought he said the recent record was 86 or 87 or something.
Nah, yeah, that ain't right. Not on.
State record.
Oh yeah, I got me a marlin. Yeah. What movie was that?
He said he's picking it up now.
Yes. Take your time with him. He'll tire out and he'll just float to the top.
Damn. My gosh, Craig. Damn.
Just let him tire out, because not having no net, we're gonna have to ease him right up to him, and then as soon as he tries to touch him, he's gonna go back down.
Like that.
Yeah. We need to add net to your list
Yeah.
if you're gonna do this. Don't let him go up under the boat, man. He'll cut you off on that. Oh, he's got it. Jeff's got it. Just grab him right there, Jeff. Right in his mouth. Just grab him.
Come on, you ride all the time. What the hell now?
It's a nice one.
He's pissing on my boat.
He's probably 20 pounds. See how thin they are?
20 pounds?
They're coming off spawn. That's how thin.
Yeah,
They're
that's what they were
males.
saying. They're probably thin.
Yeah, see how big his head is?
Yeah.
Man, that thing can probably be 30 or better.
Here, you want to take my glove, and then you feel how heavy. I think it's 30.
You got a scale?
I picked up 20 pound MRE boxes all day. Yeah, man, I bet he's
25?
I bet he's 25, I bet he's not 30.
zero it out before you put it in there. Take it back off and zero it out. Then it'll work.
Okay, there you go.
Now put it in there and it'll work. You should put grippers on your list.
Okay, just loosen that. Alright, there it goes. Okay. Killed it.
Listen.
24, 25 pounds.
25 pounds. Sweet.
25, that's what I thought. I didn't think it was 30.
That's good.
Okay, where's your pliers?
There you go.
Yeah, he's biting you.
Yeah, just keep the slack kind of reeled up out of them. Just so we don't get them tangled up, and then we'll...
Oh, you want to hand me my gloves?
Hey, I'll get it. I'll get him.
Or you get him?
Yeah, I'll grab him when you get him up.